So guys, ito na ng part 2 kasi hindi umabot. So, lalagay na natin itong eraser sa ating bag. Excited na ako guys kasi may new parcel na ako na dadating. So, I need to do this again. First, we have a clam. And the second item is the eraser. The pencil. And then the second one is this eraser for battery eraser for this eraser. Oh, I think it's broken. So there, my daddy fixed this. So this is sharpeners. And then the other sharpener look like an elephant. So there, we're going to put this eraser melody out here. There. So the third bag is finished.
Aki.
Yes. So let's open the new one.
Ay, nagbibideo ka ba?
So let's open the new one, guys, my followers.
Taas ka sa taas.
So and then this is
May mga
Three
di ba may
balls.
plastic?
there, 3 balls, and
Yung
then
plastic na thank you.
that's one stickers like this sticker bag, and then the sticker roll, and then this is, I think
Dami
this
pulutan nila.
is
May andok pa nga.
so cool, and Binny Love card. That's all. We're going to put that bag. Let's go this one,
Mama ni.
and then this one,
Pag nito.
Binny
Mama
Love
ni Diyos. Wa
card,
malakas din uminom.
and then this one
Si
stickers,
Eleanor.
and then sticker
Malakas din
roll,
yan uminom.
and then 3 balls. We have red, yellow, green. So that's all for my 4th bag. So we have our 5th bag. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, so many.